Alright, what's up guys? I didn't record anything today at all, and this big ass truck in front of me. But, I mean, I'll get on here for a little bit, say what's up, you know, keep this going and stuff. I just picked up Little Caesars, and I'm on the way home with Little Caesars. And then I have to come back up to Kroger's, say what's up to Brandon. He'll be in the vlog today, and then I think he's coming over later. Damon, my friend Damon, but I'm coming back to Kroger's later, so just see that clip here in a little bit. What's up guys? I know it's a little windy out right now, but Camden just got off work and got get anything good?
CBD vlogs here. I'm gonna be right here. Check it out. Why is my hair look like Jimmy? Because of the bed. I got like mop and stuff because I'm leaving for Florida. Just got back from California, so check out my adventures there. It's gonna be and tell them about what happened yesterday. What happened yesterday? What happened yesterday? Well, I just got my Mustang back. It's a 96 GT, and they didn't latch my hood down to the latches on the hood, so my hood flew up and it went through my windshield. So I have no windshield. So now I have to drive my dad until I get my Mustang. But yeah, make sure you subscribe to John and like the videos. It's really like wide angle here.
Yeah, you gotta watch my video. I was sitting in my car, and it was like, I'll see you guys in a minute. Alright guys, we just got done talking with Camden. There's my truck. We're gonna start now to see if Brandon's here or not. Yeah, feel bad for Camden because he broke his Mustang. Well, he didn't break it, but people did. They didn't latch his hood, and then now his hood blew up and smashed the window and broke it. But we're going to Kroger. We'll see if he's here.
Oh, you doing some filming?
You're on the vlog now.
Oh, you're doing a vlog?
Yeah, you're on it.
Yeah, what's up? Hey, John's vlog.
Kroger's better look good.
And John was here before me. John was here after me.
I was a week after you.
He was a week after me when he got a cashier.
He just like seems like he'd be a cashier.
Who? Because he's white?
That's one of the
You guys are
vlog.
recorded?
Yeah.
I was just playing, guys.
Aaron, say hi to the vlog. Aaron.
Oh no, you can round up. I don't appreciate it.
It's my best friend.
Okay, so I was like leaving my house and then I got a text and I text and drive like really fast.
You on the vlog.
And
I got
I don't really know if they heard you with that food in your mouth.
SCROOPIS. That's my snap. I'm a tall boy, you know.
texting and stuff.
I can't wait for all these like 4 views, 3
4
views.
views, you got like 30 views. So?
It's like slowly rolling out into 310.
Alright guys, I got some good news, and I got some bad news. Good news is, there ain't no good news. Bad news is, I guess Brandon don't work till 5:15, so I have like 20 minutes I gotta sit here because I'm gonna plug him for the vlog. And then maybe he'll plug himself, but good news is oh, you need my credit card. Hang on, you need my credit card.
Look, you have a coupon to save $2.
Guys, my name's Brandon D614. Check me out on YouTube. I make great vlogs. This is my crib. You know, I got a lot of algae. A lot of algae. I hope that you can hear me over the music that he puts over this, but it's okay.
Ethan, come get in this.
Hey, put that blooper on. Ready with my finger in? SCR. Okay.
The vlog,
Look at my Snapchat. It'll go up.
because there's up to it.
Look at my Snapchat. It'll go up. SCROOPIS. Sure, but don't ask why that's my Snapchat.
Damn.
Oh my god, you got one. I got one. Try to go high after that. What's that time? 8-8?
Alright guys, as you can tell, we did just go pick up Damon. Now
It's
they were playing basketball and now it's fucking raining and now we gotta sit in my truck for a minute. So yeah. We're gonna probably wait for the rain to stop. Well actually I think it just stopped. But we picked Damon up and yeah.